Hi guys, so this probably looks a little bit of a strange start for this week's nail design, but it will all come together, I promise. So I've started with this nude base and I'm using 4 neon colours, so yellow, green, pink and orange. And as you can see, I'm trying to do a kind of curved line around there. I'm not really sure how else to describe it, but hopefully you get the gist by looking at what I'm doing. So we're just going to do some random splodges. So next we're going to use a black striper, and as you can see we're going to finish off the leopard print today. Lastly, over the top we're just going to apply some glitter.